Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've updated about the car simulation game. In the last video, the basic work and design was done, and now it's time to add something unique to this game. So let's start the modifications and updates. You remember the one-day game dev challenge video I uploaded earlier? It's time to add a similar feature to this game too, cannons. And this will be its basic shape and design, carved out of a cylinder, adding it right next to the car body. Also, I've added a ring to give it a cool look. Also, as I press spacebar, car dashes forward with speed boost and particles are released, a feature I added recently. And this cannon looks a bit too static. Now to set this to a constant rotation, I could have used a script for rotation, but I used animator instead. There, looks much better, just duplicating the whole cannon set to the other side. Okay, speed boost and cannon body work is done. Now we need a shooting mechanism and a script for it. So this capsule will be our bullet or missile that player will shoot in forward direction. So its starting point will be the head of cannon, as its double shooting system. Alright, the car simulation is no longer a car simulation but a tank simulation of sorts. If I press the X key, it shoots, and spacebar is still for boost. Pretty cool. I think the game looks good, even the top-down view isn't that bad. Time to make an opponent or enemy bot. So basically these bots have taken over the city and our player is saving the town from these bots and the mayhem they are causing. For bot design, I'm using few cubes and a sphere, and I'll give it a material 2 for its color scheme. It will be a simple bot going around the city and targeting the player when it comes close to it, so there will be a range for it, a certain specific distance. Time for some particle effects. Our bullet explodes on impact. Also, each building and environment element will need a collider now, so they interact with the bullet. When collision occurs, bullet explodes. A small demo test, and I cannot go through the walls because of the collider now. Earlier I could have easily gone through the walls. I also designed a simple main menu and a pause game functionality. So this is the progress so far. You can see I've added score and high score system as well, but haven't decided the score distribution process, so it's a 0. Here is the enemy. We can see it hovering and covering a specific area. It's not fighting back as I have disabled that for now. Also, bullets have no damage. Still, there are few major things needed in the game for its completion, and I am looking forward to your feedbacks and suggestions as well. So that was it for this one. Hope you enjoyed watching. Also, I'll be publishing the game in the next video, and possibly its code and files on Github too. Check this, what happens if I push this bot. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.